Ninja Quest first attraction. Oh, there's a. What the hell is that? Almost weekend. Oh, there's a gazelle.
Oh, it's right here. Look at that.
Oh, look at him.
Hello.
Hey, Chario.
You know what it looks like? Have you played Balloon Tower Defense?
Sloth bear.
That's a scary ass bear, bro. If that shit jumped over here in Yosemite and it's running. We didn't see this one.
It's not like a black bear.
Black bear. It was a black bear.
I definitely thought it was fake. Thank you.
Wow. That's huge, bro.
I think I could take that.
Oh no, you can't, bro.
That would take us.
You're looking at me like that. Hey, it's Master Oogway. Oh.
That's so bad.
That's
That's peak though. That's peak. Look at that.
North America track time. Let's get it.
You want to go see the wolf?
I don't know. There's more on that side, no? What a man.
That one.
Please look
saw
up.
these in the wild.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not
Literally wild.
Oh, let me see.
He's like right on the other side.
We have 3 cougar in here.
You have 3?
I know one's here. I saw one at the other end.
They're actually big.
Oh.
So I wonder if the keeper's in there, maybe getting drunk. You didn't first keep. Oh.
It's my little Canadian buddy. My Canadian buddy, man. Oh. That's a female though, no?
I think. Maybe.
Oh, there's another one back there.
Maybe they're not fully grown.
Oh, you look sad. Polar bear. That's a good view. Bear. Wait, were we already here though? Africa time.
Cheetahs, bro. Those are my favorite animals. Where's Shrek? There's another one.
Oh, they're
Chill. 2 ostriches.
Except the dog.
Oh.
Yeah.
He
was here. Look at the buffet page.
He has a buffet.
Oh, it's so cool. Like, जो बंदा एक साथ
Yeah.
जो ये like
There's a deer too. There's a deer too.
Ostrich.
Those are females. You know that, right?
They're what? Female? Yeah, both of them
they're
are females, yeah. Oh, shit.
Hello.
Oh, fastest animal.
Look at the nails. He's lazy and shit. Why you can say that?
Good. Spicy near
Like the long grass and stuff.
एक अशोक बनाना है पेंट कर जो लगा है चाटवा माटे में भी
हाँ इधर कलर जम रहा है एनिमल्स लास्ट से अंदर
तू क्या है ना
wildlife.
के बाजू से नहीं
Yeah, it's 18 inches.
हाँ थोड़ा नजीक जा
फटाफट आ रही है
Just keep eating. It's a good lookout spot, though. Oh. Jario. Where are they, though? Oh. Oh, they're probably like gone in there. Oh, never mind. There's no point.
Man face flame by the light.
Tunnel now to go on the other side.
I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away.
They're waving at us.
And the sun gonna shine on a brand new
alligators.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
No, they're this small.
Oh.
Oh my days.
Whoa.
मैं ध्यान में गतो ये.
It's like a stone. Steve Irwin.
Dude, so big. Oh, there's just like fishes everywhere. It's penguin.
Oh,
You
not
could
this
smell the
again.
penguins.
Even they have something that.
I don't think they can fly.
Penguin.
Hello, bro, Simon Pond.
Oh, hello. Come right here. Hey, put on a show.
Why not? Oh, is
And she put it in a box, and I was gonna keep it in her house.
Oh, they're in a
Well,
baby.
I won't be
Red-faced flame by the light.
Forest. It's Master Hookwood. This is real Master Hookwood.
Gone away. Gone away.
Hell no. What you guys did?
And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day.
So it's looking at you, bro.
Oh, look how fat that is,
Must be
bro.
somewhere.
Look at that.
Welcome me into the fold.
Dude.